Okay, this is tutorial 2 question, chapter 3. Refer to workbook, question number 16. You are given two information here, which is remainder 3 when divided by x plus 1 and remainder 7 when divided by x minus 3. And then find the remainder when px is divided by this quadratic equation. Alright, so just write the information given in the algorithm of px equal to qx dx plus rx. So the first dx will be x plus 1, the first rx remainder will be 3. And then the second divisor is x minus 3, the second remainder is 7. So you have these two equations right now. And then the question are, when your divisor is this quadratic, x squared minus 2x minus 3, if you factor further this one, you will have x plus 1, x minus 3. Okay, same like the given divisor in the question. And then we have to let the remainder, when your divisor is quadratic, the remainder should be linear equation. Why? Because the power of x for the remainder must be less than the power of x for the divisor. So when your divisor is x power of 2, the highest degree, so the remainder should be less than that. So either linear or constant. So we just let as linear, ax plus b. Alright. So if you write in the algorithm just now, you have px equal to quotient unknown times divisor x plus 1, x minus 3 plus the remainder, which is in terms of the linear equation ax plus b. So right now we have to find the constant a and b here. So how? Just substitute the two given x value. So the first x value, which is negative 1, comes from the first divisor, x plus 1. So when you substitute x equal to negative 1, the answer is equal to the remainder, which is using the remainder theorem. When you substitute the c value, the last answer is the value of the remainder. So when you substitute negative 1 into this equation, so what happened? Just substitute negative 1 into x. So this is negative 1, and also negative 1. If you notice here, negative 1 plus 1 is also equal to 0, right? So all these things will be 0. So left only this part, which is the remainder part. Negative 1 times a is negative a plus b. So you have negative a plus b equal to 3, which is the remainder, the first remainder. Okay, the second equation here, you have the equation when you substitute your x with 3. Remember the second information given, your c here is 3, your remainder is 7. When you substitute 3 here, so what happened? This is 3, 3, 3 and 3. Okay, so if you notice here, 3 minus 3 is also 0. Everything here will be 0. So this part will be 3a plus b. So you have only 3a plus b is equal to 7. The second remainder given. So you have these two equations and you have two unknown here. So how to solve? So just minus these two equations, 1 minus 2. You have the first one, negative a plus b equal to 3. The second one is 3a plus b equal to 7. If you minus these two, you will have negative a minus 3a, which is negative 4a. b minus b cancel out 0. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. So your a will be 1. So how to find b? Just substitute into the first equation. Negative a plus b equal to 3 and your b will be 4. Substitute into the remainder just now. You have the linear equation ax plus b. So when your a is 1, your b is 4, your rx will be x plus 4 only. So this is the answer for the remainder when the polynomial is divided by this quadratic form.